When making a new store, what has to be changed? So this will be relevant to Etsy. So when making a new Etsy store, you want to change as many details as humanly possible. So you want to change like the name, like all the backend information, the IP, the MAC address. You want to change everything. Everything needs to be different. The reason is, the analogy that I've used 1,000,001 times is that if you have 10 stores, all under Craig, I've made 10 stores, all 10 are under my name, all same bank account, same everything. One of them gets banned for whatever reason, even temporarily it gets banned for whatever reason, some bullshit reason. Doesn't matter. One of them gets banned, it's very likely the remaining 10 of them are gonna get banned. But if you have 10 stores, all in separate individual names and separate information, one of them gets taken down, the remaining 9 will stay up if you've done it correctly. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.